Hello and welcome. So, as usually, today we have a very powerful homemade weapon, and in the case we have a bolt action sniper rifle. And but first of all, I want to tell you, do not try this at home because gun make, especially to make a barrel. This is the barrel. To make a barrel is very difficult and is very dangerous also. Well, I want to show you. This is the main barrel. This is actually barrel guard, and this is the sight, and this is the main sight. This is the U-cut sight, and this is the main barrel. Well, we have a trigger system. We have a very common battery trigger system. Let me show. So here I am using very simple material to make a bullet. As you can see, I am using a firecracker as a charge, and I am using this. This is made of soil. So let me show how I made it. So now we are ready for a test, and so let's go.
বলি না তো কত লাগবে আমাদের পরবর্তী স্টেজে তুই এরকম উদ্বোধন যাতে হয়েছে কত লাগবে
So, my dear friends, so this is our target board, and as you can see, we have very smooth screw hole. That's it. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, so please share this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and then press all for my all new notification. And so thank you. Jai Hind.